Do you know that electric cars can also pollute the environment? It is not due to engine emission, but it is due to the manufacturing process of the lithium battery that causes heavy pollution. Lithium-ion batteries are a choice for powering electric vehicles, as they can store large amount of energy in a small space, have recharging capabilities for many charge cycles. Therefore, electric vehicles are the alternative to the diminishing fossil fuels. More and more electric vehicles are swarming the roads every day. Lithium-ion battery is the main component of an electric vehicle, because it is assumed that the electric cars would reduce environmental pollution. We are wrong. Electric vehicles also cause pollution, because the manufacturing process of lithium battery causes heavy pollution. Lithium is found in igneous rocks like spodumene and petalite. Lithium has to be extracted from these rocks by pollution-causing processes. Lithium is extracted from hard rock mines or underground brine reservoirs with power coming from fossil fuels that emit carbon dioxide. For every ton of mined lithium, 15 tons of carbon dioxide is emitted into the air. Mining lithium, cobalt and nickel requires chemicals the large amounts of water and is also labor-intensive. Toxic waste is also created. Manufacturing process requires temperature of 800 to 1000 degrees Celsius by burning fossil fuel that emits carbon dioxide. China supplies 77% of the world's lithium batteries by using coal in the manufacturing process that emits twice that amount of greenhouse gases as natural gas. Tesla Model 3 has 80 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery that was made by emitting 16,000 kg or 16 metric tons of carbon dioxide into the air. 16,000 kg or 16 metric tons of carbon dioxide is equivalent to the same amount of emission emitted by a petrol car on running 2,500 miles or 4,023 kilometers. Charging an electric vehicle requires electricity that was generated using hydropower or fossil fuel. Switzerland is planning to ban the electric vehicles, looking at the energy crisis and less benefits of EVs. Here are some real facts about the electric vehicles. 1. Initial cost is very high for common man. 2. Replacement of the battery in 8 years at a cost of 7 lakh rupees is very high. 3. Charging cost of 300 rupees per full charge is an additional recurring cost. 4. Normal charging time of 8 hours is too long and not practical. 5. Fast charging the battery in 1 to 2 hours reduces the battery life. 6. Water entry can make the electric vehicle system dead. 7. Damages by rodents is very common, and it invites expensive repair cost. 8. Roadside garages are not helpful and it is necessary to take assistance from the manufacturer in case of a breakdown. 9. Uncertain government rules can bring more trouble in taxes, subsidy, etc. Hence, you can see that the cost of maintaining an electric vehicle is very high, and that too after already polluting the environment heavily by the manufacturing process of lithium battery. Disposing the old batteries would also be a great challenge and cause pollution. Now decide which vehicle you wish to use. Please write in the comment box giving reasons for your choice. This video is brought to you by International Consumer Rights Protection Council. Thanks for watching Arun Saxena Productions.